Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Fidelity stock basket. All right, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity stock basket, this video is gonna show you the way. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can log in online on the website, or you can log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, just click on the investment products tab, and then you're gonna select stock baskets. Now there it's going to initiate the stock basket setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's one of those information is the investment details. Just go ahead and fill that up, and once that's done, you can choose the stock basket options, and then you want to confirm the stock basket details. You're going to make sure to go over the details one more time and make sure that everything is accurate. And once that's done and submitted, you can monitor the stock basket activities right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity stock basket. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next